We have a 1989 Carrier Tech 2000 central air conditioner. Some viewers may recognize this unit as it is one of 4 of the Overfilmed TECH2000s, as I like to call them. You can't overfilm a Tech 2000. That's what I think. Old Copeland compressor. As a lot of larger Tech 2000s had. I always said Carlisle's. This one has a Copeland. This one's from 1989. It's a 4-ton 38 TG. It's just running. I'm going to attempt for a startup of it. There's my comically large tripod. Let's get to the startup. Doesn't look to running in for quite a while. Open reciprocating compressor. That one's identical, but screw it, might as well put that off there too. 1995 too. No, those two are from 90. This one's also.
This is another 89, I assume.
Yes.
Yeah, the small ones are 89. These two are 5 tons.
This one's another 89.
These two are 5 tons. These ones you never really see running for some reason. Every time someone has filmed at this place,
I think the building's empty.
Possibly. But what I'm thinking, yeah, though these 3 units haven't really been seen running. Though that one has showed signs of running today because the lines show signs of it sweating. Maybe, possibly.
Oh.
I was about to say, but yeah.
You can get some photos of these. And there's one we got starting up.
Anyways.
Anyways.
Shut down, so.